I see you got topping mud there instead of all-purpose joint compound.
Yes, it mixes up a little easier and leaves a nice texture.
Okay.
Stuff that I found that works pretty good. And just add a little water till I can get to the consistency of what I need come out of the Texas gun. So basically, that's what we got. And I need to get my other blade to get it out of there. Here's my blades. Smaller one to get it out and into my bucket.
Aha.
So we can start the process of getting it thinned out.
Oh, you don't dump that whole thing in the bucket.
Now, I probably am not going to need, but not even quite half of it.
Yeah.
So
But if you did, you just dump that whole thing directly into that bucket
I
right
would
now.
just dump the whole thing, and then I would mix it all up. Then I would keep it with the lid on it for the next job.
Right, just put a little water on the top of it, right?
Float a little water on top, maybe even put a little wrap of plastic on top of it.
Right.
And then that would keep for the next job.
How long would it last that way, you think?
Oh, probably, 4 or 5 months.
Yeah.
I've had it sitting covered. So that's about half right now. And I don't like to get too much in here because it gets too heavy to work with because I'm going to be dumping it from here into here.
Oh, okay.
So I don't like to mix up too much, it's too heavy. I think we're good right there. I think we're good right there. So I'm going to go get my measuring cup for water.
Your measuring cup?
Yeah, my measuring cup. In you.
Well, I got that hot mud up there smoothed out, but it still has to dry.
Yeah. So I got 32 ounces of water in here. I'm going to put half of it in. And then mix it up.
Just got a paint stick there for your stir stick, huh?
Yeah, I got a paint stick. I usually use a regular mixer, but
Or one of those electric ones with the drill.
If I have a lot to mix up, I'll just use the electric drill. But
Yeah.
on a small job, you know, the stick works okay. You get it to where it's consistency of pancake batter. Not too bad right now. I might make a test run on it because I might add just an ounce of water just to make sure. And then this should come out of the gun quite nicely. That's the plan.
I can't turn that off, can I? Say that again. Ta-dee-dee-dee-do-dee-dee. Uh-huh.
Video distraction. I think we're looking pretty good here now. We're looking pretty good there now. So,
I gotta, I'm just gonna check these areas right before you get going,
yeah, that'll be last.
and you can spray those last, right?
Yeah, I still gotta take that window off, and then
Okay, good.
we're gonna drop a piece of plastic right here.
All right, because I think I want to put just a little bit of mud over the top of that.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah, that'll be good.
I think I should.
That little line there.
Yeah, I'll get it.
You know. But yeah, I think